presents People Are Watching Us!
Oh, Mr. Dog, I gotta take a leak. So bad, it's unbelievable.
I heard if we stand really still, they can't see us.
Dude, you have been watching way too much Jurassic Park.
Seriously, guys, hey, listen. There are people watching us.
You moron, we're living in a freaking zoo and some douchebag videotaped us and put us on YouTube.
You mean people are always watching us?
Are they watching me? Are they still watching me?
It's not a big deal. Once the view count hits 200, it will freeze.
Ooh, like another ice age and the penguins ruled the world?
For the win!
Boy, not only do I have to take a leak, I'm itching. Really itchy, itchy.
Would you like to create your own penguin conversation? Are you skilled with video editing and voiceovers? Just download this video from my website with the link in the description, record your voiceovers, add them in with video editing, and upload it on YouTube. Have fun and be sure to post it as a video response to this video.